Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to discuss all of the prices and information for the brand new Jeffree Star Christmas mystery boxes for 2020. I'm so excited. You guys already know we love the mystery boxes over here on this channel. There's always so many good, amazing deals that we get when we get these boxes. We never know what we're gonna get, okay? That's the point in the mystery boxes. Some people cry because it's all safe neutral colors. Other people cry because there isn't any safe neutral colors. But you know what? It's a mystery. All drama aside, it is a mystery. The makeup is good. I have to say I'm not like the biggest fan of his highlighters, but the lipsticks are good. The liners are good. The eyeshadows are good. You know, that whole situation. Anyways, I'm gonna give you all the pricing and details. I want to know all your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. Are you gonna get it? Are you not gonna get it? Are you gonna get all 4 of them? Yes, I said it. He's doing 4 this time. I don't think he's ever done 4 at a time. I think it's always been 3 at a time. Every time, yeah. But this one, we have 4 boxes, baby. Okay, we're so excited to get into it. I know you're like, shut up and talk about the mystery boxes, but I have a lot to say, okay? I have a lot to say. Also, number 1, don't you love the hair curler? I'll have it linked below. If you're wondering about this really cute hoodie, you cannot buy this, okay? It is priceless because it's Dominic DeAngelis's hoodie. If you guys want to see me unbox clothing items that I got from him, then definitely go check out the video linked below. He loves me. He said so himself, so. Oh, if you don't know who that is, he's like a YouTuber. He has like over 1 million subscribers, and he hangs out with Kian and JC and all of them. So that's who that is. But anyways, this is his hoodie. It smelled so good when I got it. It doesn't smell like that anymore, but anyways, if you guys are enjoying this types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. So as you guys know, with the last mystery boxes, I had a really big giveaway going on. I don't know 100% if I'm going to buy these mystery boxes or not, or if I'm going to get all 4. But if I do buy any mystery boxes, you guys already know there will be giveaways. There's always giveaways. But anyways, let's go ahead and talk about all the information. So December 11th on a Friday is when the mystery boxes launch at 10 o'clock PST. So that's Pacific Standard Time. So if you're Eastern Standard Time, that is 1. If you're Central like me, that is 12. So that is, you know, that's the time. If you guys don't know what your time zone is, Google it and it'll tell you what time PST is versus whatever your time zone is. So anyways, that is when it launches. So get ready. So we're going to talk about the first box, which is the mini. And this one is going to be $25. There's going to be 3 items in it and no exclusives. A lot of people were really confused with the last mystery boxes because they thought that the mini had an exclusive item, but this one does not have an exclusive item. Also, the other ones that do have the exclusive items, he did not mention whether or not it's going to be cosmetic or anything like that. He used to mention in the past if it's going to be like an exclusive item, an exclusive cosmetic item, but this one's just an exclusive item. And we didn't get any exclusive cosmetics items in the last one. We got a beanie and a shirt, which are actually kind of cute. I really like them. So anyways, let's go on with the premium. Now, the prices really jumped this go around versus last go around. We got a lot of lipsticks in the last one, like lots of lipsticks and lip liners. I don't think we got a highlighter at all. So I think these prices for these next boxes are going to reflect us getting highlighters and maybe like a hoodie. That would be cool. And maybe a mirror, because, you know, the way the boxes are shaped, it seems like we might get a mirror or like, you know, an article of clothing like a hoodie maybe. Anyway, so the premium is $60. You get 5 items. 1 is exclusive. Don't know if it's cosmetic or if it's apparel or whatnot. So like I said, $60 for 5 items. I feel like maybe we could possibly get something like a highlighter in there. Deluxe box, $120 for 7 items. Again, the price kind of reflects as if there's going to be some more expensive items like highlighters. The Supreme Frost, which is $29 or $28. The Extreme Frost, which is $50. The regular Frost, no, the Supreme Frost is $30, and then the regular Frost is like $28, I think. And then the Liquid Frost are $25. But anyways, so yeah, Deluxe, 127 items, 1 one exclusive item. One exclusive item. And then we have the Supreme, which is the biggest box. $175, which I think is his most expensive box. I'm pretty sure the Halloween Supreme that we got last year, which was the other Supreme box, was $160. And I feel like we had more than 10 items. I think we had like 12 or 13, if I can remember correctly. But $175 for 10 items to me is pushing it, because that's $55 more for 3 more items. So it's like, what's in there? Because the mini is only $25 for 3 and there's no exclusive. So $55 for 3 more items versus the deluxe is a lot. So I'm wondering, is he gonna put Extreme Frost in there like he did with the last box? That one was like, whoa, you know, everybody got an Extreme Frost. All 4 of the colors were in different boxes. So it's like, okay, and I'm wondering what the 2 exclusives are going to be for the Supreme. This is why I want the mystery boxes, because of the fact that there are exclusive items. Like, I have so much makeup that I really don't need more, which kind of gives a little bit of controversy of like, why waste your money on it, or why not get it so other people have a chance to get it. Well, the mystery boxes aren't selling out anymore like they used to, and I like to do giveaways, and I like the exclusive items. Now, I don't think I own any more exclusive items from him anymore. I might own one red lipstick that was an exclusive from last year, or maybe it was this year. I can't remember. But yes, I've sold all my other exclusives on Poshmark that I kept. But giveaways, you guys. And I just like the fact of knowing I got the exclusive, and then when I get tired of it, I'll sell it on Poshmark and somebody else can enjoy it. But I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I hope he does like sneak peeks. He did sneak peeks for them one other time, which was for the Halloween. He was like, oh, bam, we get an exclusive Halloween mirror. I remember that. That one was pretty cool. I did get rid of it though, but whatever. I don't know. I feel like the Supreme, it better bring it, because $175 for 10 items is like, that's pushing it. I got so much good stuff in my Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes for what I paid. I paid $190 for 9 items, and they're like, it was so good. And then I got the other one for $125 and has 7. I'll have it linked below, but those mystery boxes were like the bee's knees, like so good, like luxury, high quality, like $40 lipsticks, makeup, you know what I mean? So I want to know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you plan on picking up any mystery box? Are you going to gift them? Like, I need to know. I need to know like what the deal is. I think that the boxes in themselves are actually beautiful. Let me just like play this little clip for you guys. Here we go. You guys can watch this little clip. Like, you have the like baby pink one, the green one, the huge one, and then the little one. Like, the color story of the boxes are just so pretty. And look, it looks like for the green one especially, there could be a mirror in there. Like the green one, maybe even the other one that's big, and then the Supreme. Like, they look like a mirror could come in there, and I am dying for another hoodie, so I hope that a hoodie comes in there. Like, it's winter time, give me a hoodie, please. I don't really want another beanie, no offense, I don't want another beanie, but please give me a hoodie. I'll take a shirt, that's cool, that's fine. My Valentine's Day shirt's actually like ruining. All my other shirts that I have from him aren't ruining, but the Valentine's Day one is fading really bad. Have you guys noticed that? If you guys have that shirt, just let me know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed, and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!